Two souls colliding. We shared the pieces of ourselves. It's perfect timing.
I absolutely hate shopping. I either completely forget what I need or I get the wrong thing altogether. But yesterday I made the cardinal sin of buying expired goods. So now I have to spend my day returning to the store in hopes that they'll exchange this. Luckily I have some other errands to do, but overall, rookie mistake. Of course I know you're supposed to pop the top, check the expiration date, but I just can't be bothered. And of course, I would have an excuse if I bought this online. I passed the expiration date. But no, this was just a silly mistake. No problems. First destination. Time to do some laundry. Hello there. More laundry to गर्नु पर्छ. Thank you, Dad. Welcome. You too. Easy enough. Small victories. First one is done. Laundry will be good tomorrow. Unfortunately, in my house, don't have a laundry machine, so when I get lazy and don't want to do it by hand, I have to take it to a shop. It's 150 rupees, about 1 USD per kilo, or like 2.2 pounds for all my American friends. But now it's the real test, so we're off to see if we can exchange this at the store. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck.
Sparks igniting. We left some space for us to breathe. My head is quiet.
So it's a big moment now, back at the department store. Hoping I'm gonna be able to return this thing, exchange it for something new. We've traveled around Pokhara, seen a couple of things. Now, back to its home in hopes that it will be able to stay again and I can get a new one. Yo, these guys are we did it. Getting a new one.
Mexican sauce.
Mexican sauce. Oh, tara, यसलाई salsa भन्छ. Yeah.
You लानुहुन्छ?
Lanio. Lanio bad. Thank you. Made it. Got the salsa. Roller coaster of a day and emotions, but we accomplished it. I was surprised I was able to exchange it so easily. They usually never. I've never had to do that actually, so I had no idea what to expect. But now, time to head back home. First, I'm gonna stop at this bakery. Get some chocolate rolls, hopefully. Bhai, yo duita chocolate roll dinu na. Duita. Hazur. Tatai dim. Pardon. किन इंग्लिशमा बोल्नु पर्छ म हैन नेपाली दामी बोल्नु प्रष्ट गरेर बोल्नु हुन्छ रहेछ नि त. Thank you. So happy days. Got my new salsa, exchanged it. Gonna get the laundry done. Got a couple of chocolate rolls. 2 chocolate rolls for 80 rupees. About 50 cents. Go home and celebrate. That's it. That's all I got. Here's my dog friend.